originally I asked, because my eyebrows were a bit thicker than this. I've been growing my eyebrows for years, right? Because I want my eyebrows to have that arched look, that beautiful arch. So I said to her, okay, I want arched eyebrows. My girl gave me one cousin and one long distance cousin, because this ever so often, because it tastes really good and it's so energizing. Like, you need to get on. If you haven't got on, get on now. So basically, what I just showed you guys was the pomegranate juice. Now, if you don't know, there's so many benefits for females to drink actually pomegranate juice. You need to try and get the most, I wouldn't necessarily say the most organic one, because obviously, you know, organic things can be very expensive. Whereas my manners, I'm so sorry, I didn't even introduce myself, sorry. So I'm Julsz, and over here we have a good time all the time. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, what's good? I hope you join the family, because over here obviously we do like I would say we do more vloggy vlogs. We haven't really tapped into the lifestyle content just yet. However, we are heading into that direction, so stick around, because you'll be seeing hauls soon. I'm going to start incorporating more gym vlogs and stuff like that. So yeah, I definitely think my channel is worth a subscription and a like and a comment, you know, because it does get a bit lit over here sometimes. Not all the time, but sometimes. But yeah, as I was saying, pomegranate juice is very good. Like, obviously it's got antioxidants. Now, anything that contains antioxidant, what it does, it frees your body from the free radicals. So, you know, like, we live in a very polluted well, especially in London, I don't know where you're watching from, but within London we live in a very polluted environment. Like, that's why so many kids have asthma. That's why they even made a law where you can't really park near to schools, because obviously the gas from the cars are affecting the kids, and the ozone layer and all that drama. So when you eat things that contain antioxidants, or drinks that contains it helps your body to regenerate, kind of thing, kind of like reset your cells, reset yourself and everything like that. And it's also good to use antioxidant like skincare as well, because, you know, the environment obviously affects our skin. You know, when you go out there, you don't know what kind of particle you're picking up on your skin and stuff like that. That's why they always advertise like antioxidant skincare and all them stuff like that. So if you can afford it, definitely bag and get it. It's also good for like high cholesterol, diabetes. It keeps your lady bits very good. I've heard that it's very good for like our reproductive system. So if you are someone that's looking to become a bit more healthier, then I would definitely say to get the antioxidant pomegranate. Well, all pomegranate drinks is antioxidant, and obviously, yeah, I can't really pronounce the word, forgive me. And if you can, if you're able to actually eat the natural fruit, go ahead. But I kind of find that the natural fruit is a little bit too fiddly for my liking. Like, it's very small pips. I don't have time to be cracking and shaking nothing. So yes, I can buy it already shaken up, but then again, I'm thinking £3 for a pack of little pomegranate, I don't think so. So I rather buy the juice, and it gets into your bloodstream a lot quicker. So anything that gets into your bloodstream quicker is best. So like, you know, your green juices, anything that's good, like your chlorella, your spirulina, your maca powder. That's what I'm on at the moment. So the green juice that you saw in a couple of vlogs before, that is what I was actually drinking. So I'm obviously trying to get healthier. If that's not clear from this vlog, I don't know what it will be. So yeah, I will take you along. I'm trying to get my skin clear, because listen, in June or the end of May, I would say, I went to I don't even know what to call her, because she's not like a dermatologist. She's she does like facials and what do they call it, what's the word, whatever they're called, right? And she did my eyebrows, which I'm not complaining, because it was cheap and cheerful, like £4 or whatever the case is. I won't be going back to her, because originally I asked, because my eyebrows were a bit thicker than this. I've been growing my eyebrows for years, right? Because I want my eyebrows to have that arched look, that beautiful arch. So I said to her, okay, I want arched eyebrows. My girl gave me one cousin and one long distance cousin, because one is arched and then one is just flat. Like, I don't know how another eyebrow threader lady is going to really amend this, because how can you work with eyebrows? Like, one of my eyebrows are arched, kind of, and then my other eyebrow is like straight. So I don't know what's going on. But I've left it now because I need it to grow back out so I can get them redone. Annoying. The time I did my eyebrows was when I was going to Jamaica in 2018. That was the last time I had someone do my eyebrows besides this year June. So now I need to grow my eyebrows back again, which I'm not happy about. Anyways, that's not the story I was trying to tell you. Basically, my skin broke out terribly, absolutely terribly, yeah, because she waxed my face. Now, I wasn't really aware that black women should not get their face waxed. Like, it's just, basically, it's not something in the skincare guide. Like, it's just not allowed. It's something that they shouldn't have done. But I didn't know. Like, no one told me. Like, I really didn't know. So when I had got my eyebrows done, she waxed my forehead, and my forehead was, it was a bit alright. But then I noticed the following day I had 2 big bumps. I'm thinking, raw, like, and there was some peppery bumps and they were hot. But I said, okay, my skin's quite sensitive, so I said, okay, well, whatever. It could have been like either the skincare I was using at the time or anything could have really triggered it, right? So I left it and I thought, okay, cool. I went back and I thought, you know what, I want my makeup to be put on, because I was going to a family reunion, so I wanted my face to be quite flawless in the sense of the way it looked. So I said to myself, okay, cool, let me get my face waxed, like my cheeks and stuff. So that's what I did. And when she was applying the wax, I said to her, like, this is hot. And God as my witness, Mum was there, and she was like, no, it's not hot, it's okay, it's fine. And I thought to myself, no, like, miss, like, this is really hot. And I constantly told her, and she was just like, no, like, it's okay. And then she would put the wax on, and she would peel it off and then press my skin, I'm guessing to stop the irritation or stop the feeling of the hot. I don't know what she was doing, basically. So I left there and my face was really smooth, but you see, the next day it was like a beehive of bumps. I can't even explain it, because I went to my family function with my face messed up, because even through the makeup you could still see the beehive of bumps. I was so unhappy. Like, my entire jaw, like, now they're gone, but what they've left post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation marks. So post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation marks, I believe, is when you have a bump and it leaves scarring. So that's post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation mark. Correct me if I'm wrong, I probably am, but I definitely know I had post-inflammatory inflammation mark. I will find the definition and come and tell you lots later on. So yeah, that happened in the beginning of June, end of May, beginning of June, and then obviously yeah, that's what it was. So my face really broke out. Like, when my face eventually clears up, I think I'm gonna do a sit down chit chat video. I'll show you guys pictures, because I almost document everything in my life, so I do have those pictures on my I sent them to my cousin and my best friend, so they have it as evidence. So I'll definitely show you guys. But yeah, I just thought I'll pop in to say that I'm getting back into the, it's gonna sound weird me saying it, but honestly speaking, like, I'm just not used to vlogging again, because I've taken such a long, what do they call it, hiatus, right? So obviously I know how to vlog. I know that you have to obviously take up your camera, show what you're doing, talk in the camera, but for me, essentially, like, sitting down talking to you guys, it feels so strange because I haven't done it for so long. And I think that's why, if you watch my other vlogs, they're quite chippy choppy, because I'm not used to talking to the camera as much anymore. But anywho, I am back, right? I'm back on my channel, so I need to just get out of that feng shui or whatever it's called, that little funk, and just do what I need to do. But yeah, that's like this little introduction part of the vlog. So today I'm going to do a bit of organization. Like I'm always doing kind of admin work for myself or the business or like the family. Guys, if you don't know, I do have a business. It's called Timeless Beauty and You. We sell body care products, so like body scrubs, yoni oils, yoni soap. We ship internationally. We have just finished our summer sale, so thank you to everyone that has bought something from our business. If you want to purchase something, if you want to have a look, our website is www.timelessbeautyandyou. I'll leave it in the comment section or the description box, like, so you just can have a look. But yeah, I'll be doing some admin work, but I think the admin work that I'll be doing today is just for me. I want to write down a few bills that I have, and also like write down things that we need to get from the supermarket. I am really sorry. I know in the beginning it has been very, very chatty, but I feel like I haven't actually spoken to you guys in such a long time. I haven't sat down, I haven't spoken, I haven't reasoned, so that's why the beginning of this vlog is very chatty. But I'm gonna just run you through my day. So basically I'm gonna do some admin work. I'm gonna go wash this off my face. This is what's on my face at the moment is soap and also a lemon and oat scrub. This is the first day I've used this combination, but I have been really working on my face. I'm also doing the 5-step K skin routine, which is like, so after you wash your face, you've got your cleanser, then you've got your toner, you've got your serum or your essence, and you've got your moisturizer. Then if you have any oil products, use your oil products, and then the last step is use SPF 50. Now I didn't know the importance of using the SPF 50, but I've definitely seen it. Like since using it, my dark marks have definitely been fading, because come on, if you're cleansing your face, it's stripping away that first layer of your skin or whatever the case is, and then you're going out into the hot sun. Of course, you know, you're gonna need something to protect your skin, your epidermis. Like you got to protect that top layer. So so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Then I think I'm going to, after I do my skincare, I'm gonna relax for half an hour, because it takes half an hour for the SPF to set into your skin. Like you can't just use it and go out to the sun. You've got to give it half an hour to really activate. So after that, then I'm gonna go to the gym. I've got my gym clothes all spread out here. I've got the books that I need to be writing in all here. Then when I come back from the gym, I'll be cooking curry chicken. That's on the menu. And I'm also doing no rice, no fizzy for the month of July, just to kind of reset my skin as well, because even though the scarring was caused by the facial waxing, if you eradicate like rice and fizzy from your diet, then your skin will easily heal itself faster. So that's what I'm trying to do. Like I'm trying to really get my skincare on check, my diet on lock. I'm trying to become a healthier version of me in all aspects of my life, and I guess you guys will see over the years to come, over the months to come, or you know, let's just see where this takes us. But that's what I'll be doing today. So hopefully I remember to vlog everything, because as I said, although I've posted videos, I've had to really mentally like say, okay, Julsz, you need to do this, it's not second nature anymore. Whereas a few years ago, like vlogging was very second nature. Like I just picked up the camera, it was just something that was just there. But anywho, that's what we're going to be doing today. So yeah, enough of me talking. I am sorry that I've rambled on. It's a very long introduction. I really do apologize, but I just thought like we need to bond again. Like there's not enough bonding in my vlogs. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, but I'm not really talking you through the steps or anything like that. But yeah, so that's why I'm here talking at my guts. But yeah, see you in the next clips, my Julsz. I love you. Oh, let me not even talk about these nails. Like Time to get fit. Time to get a booty and a flat belly. Time to get fit, 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 fit. So that's gym finish. I'm off. I'm on the way. I'm on my way to Morrison's now to get some healthy stuff because health is wealth, people. Watch me get snatched, honey. You know, I thought I was recording all this time and all this time I was not recording, LOL. But yeah guys, basically I drink this ever so often because it tastes really good and it's so energizing. Like, you need to get on. If you haven't got on, get on now. Morrison's got it for £1 this week. I don't know if it's this week or, but I mean, they've got it for £1 at the moment. So I'm just waiting for my Uber. There's a shop in there. All the shopping, all the good things for the good things. More greens, the more greens in your trolley, the better your health, apparently. So, but yeah man, get onto this chill drink. It is amazing. So I'm just waiting for my Uber now. It's finished, like I've actually finished it already. So yeah, I'll see you soon. When we get home, we're going to be cooking curry chicken, okay? So I'll take you along. So I will see you in the next clip, my Julsz. Hey me Julsz, don't mind my greasy face. So it's hours later. I've had a shower, I've put on some cream, I've put on my sunscreen again because the sis needs to get this face corrected. Yeah, I'm gonna share dinner now and I think that is it for the day. I really hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Let me know your favorite points of the vlog. Also remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. That sounded so backwards, but yeah, just let me know which part of the vlog was your favorite part. And I'm gonna come back on the vlog just to show you guys what I'm doing now. So I've got my book, as you would have seen from earlier on. So that's what the book looks like. So you can write tasks and everything down. So I'm filling out I'm completing today's task. I would show you, but I wrote it so sorry, that's my cat. I need to introduce, you know, it's so funny, like I've been vlogging for so many years, on and off obviously, and I've never actually introduced London to you guys. Like obviously, you know, I have a cat, you hear of her, like you hear me, you don't really hear me talking to her, but I mean, like you obviously hear me like look down and be like, London. One day I need to really introduce London to you guys. So basically, I had 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. I had 12 things on my list to do. Did I complete all those 12? No. Am I going to complete those 12 before tonight? I hope so. So let's see. I can tick off 1 2. Yeah, I could tick off the gym. Went to the gym. Went to Morrison. Can tick that off. I have a vlog to edit. I haven't even started to edit that. It also says here, take vitamins, right? So that's saying that I paid one of the bills. Yeah, I need to do that. That's like, so whatever I don't complete today, I'm going to move it over to tomorrow to try and complete it tomorrow, because I need to complete it tomorrow for real. I haven't done that, I haven't done that, and I haven't done that. So I don't know, but I've done this. I haven't done that, and I haven't done that. So I didn't really complete too many things. I mean, I went to the gym and I did the treadmill. I did 100 abduction, 100 of this, and I also did 100 of the leg press machine, leg press. So I did 100 of that, and then the arm press, I didn't do 30, I did 50 today. So I'm quite happy with that. Obviously I want to lose weight, but I don't want to lose muscle, so I am trying to do as minimum cardio as I can, because I find that when I do too much cardio, like everything drops, like including my legs get really skinny, like bird skinny, so I don't want that. So I'm doing a little bit of treadmill, but mostly focusing on building like muscle, so I can look a bit more curvier, accentuated, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let me move on to tomorrow. I'm gonna title it the same thing, get things done. I didn't really get things done, but get things done. So the first task I think I'm going to do tomorrow morning, I want to read my Bible. I want to spend time with the Lord. That's the first thing. At some point during the day, I think I want to read a book. I know tomorrow we have to clean small room. Clean small, and I don't obviously know what that means. No, I've got to edit the vlog. I'm going to try to edit the vlog tonight, so I'm going to keep that on today's list actually, because I do need to edit the vlog. Then I've got to sign a few things. Oh yeah, I got to package an order tomorrow. Because I was meant to get water today, but I didn't, so that's probably going to be on tomorrow's list, get water. And then right, so I didn't do that, so I'm just going to put TM for things that I didn't do, to move TM for them to move over to tomorrow. TM. To be honest, I probably will do this later on because I can do that anyways. I want to do So I've got 2 more things, 2 more tasks to complete. I've got 2 more tasks to complete, and then today's pretty much done. But yeah, guys, I've been here just kind of talking to myself. If you have reached this far in the vlog, I really do appreciate you guys. So big up yourself if you've reached this far in the vlog. Literally, it's just, I'm just gonna chill now. Like, there's nothing to really do now. I've practically done most things. I think the only thing left for me to really do, I'm just gonna quickly wash the bathroom, and that's it really. I'm gonna relax, watch some YouTube. Obviously, you know, your girl is watching Love Island now. Let me tell you, Love Island is basically a reality TV show where there are contestants trying to find love. As cliche as it sounds, you know, some people come out of there finding love, some people come out of there not really finding love. So I'm on episode 20, I'm sure it's episode 31 or 32 now, because I've literally been watching it from the beginning. If you live in the UK, let me know, like, do you watch Love Island? Who's your favorite person in Love Island? Would you like me to do like a sit down chit chat video about my opinion of Love Island, the people that are in Love Island at the moment? Like, let me know, because I can really get down and really do a video, because your girl has been watching. To be honest, there's a few things that I want to recommend to you guys. Like, I watch a few Netflix series and movies, and also a few Amazon series as well, and Amazon movies, because your girl has been binge watching with Bay. If you want to have a good laugh, before I actually go, let me leave it on a good note. If you want to have a really good laugh, I would recommend you watch Man and Bee on Netflix. Mr. Bean stars it, and let me tell you, it comes in 10-minute sequences. It's a series, but they're 10 minutes each. It's not very long, and listen, you'll be laughing, your belly will be hurting you. Like, it's definitely worth a check out. You just got to watch it. Honestly, if you like comedy, if you want to have a good laugh where you're crying, where you're almost wetting yourself, definitely check out Man and Bee. And no, this is not sponsored. Like, Netflix, come over here, honey, you need to sponsor a girl. But no, this is not sponsored. I'm just telling you for telling you sake. Like, definitely check it out. It's definitely worth your time. 10 minutes is not long. You can finish the whole series in one day because it's that short. But yeah, on that last note, guys, I just want to say I love you, I appreciate you, and I appreciate each and every one of you that has been commenting since I've been back. I know that I'm always coming back and going. This time I'm not going. I'm literally gonna be here. 2 videos a week is not hard to complete, you know, so I'm literally organizing myself and I'm getting it done. So I hope you guys are proud of me. Okay, so yeah, I hope you've liked the video. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Let me know your favorite part of the video. Okay, big up your nice clean self. I'll see you next time. And as you know, I'm Julsztymm, and over here we have a good time all the time. What else? I don't know, like, obviously drop me some video suggestions and I'll see what I can do. But big up your nice clean self. I love you lots, loads, and I will see you in my next vlog. Okay, bye.